Savarkundla Railway Station. Savarkundla Railway Station is a major railway station serving in Amreli district of Gujarat State of India. It is under Bhavnagar Railway Division of Western Railway Zone of Indian Railways. Savarkundla Railway Station is 70 km far away from Mahuva Junction. Passenger and superfast trains halt here. Major trains. Following major trains halt at Savarkundla Railway Station in both direction. 12,945/46 Surat Mahuva Superfast Express, 22,993/94 Bandra Terminus Mahuva Superfast Express, 22,989/90 Bandra Terminus Mahuva Express, References